Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to check and fix your Zoom audio settings so you can hear and be heard perfectly in your next meeting. Let us begin by opening the Zoom desktop application. You can configure these settings whether you are currently in a meeting or just preparing for one. If you are already inside a meeting, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You will see a microphone icon. Click the small upward pointing arrow right beside it. A menu will appear. Select audio settings from that menu. If you are on the main Zoom screen and not in a meeting, click your profile picture in the top right corner, select settings, and then choose the audio tab on the left-hand menu. Now that the audio settings window is open, let us test your speaker. Click the test speaker button. A ringtone should play. If you hear nothing, click the drop-down menu next to the button and choose a different speaker device until you hear the audio clearly. You can adjust the output volume using the slider just below it. Move down to the microphone section. Speak into your mic at a normal conversational volume. You should see the input level bar light up in green as you talk. If the bar is not moving, click the drop-down menu and select your correct microphone. You can also click the test mic button to record a short audio clip. It will play back to you so you can confirm exactly how you sound to others. For most users, leaving the automatically adjust microphone volume box checked is the best way to ensure your voice remains consistent. That is everything you need to know to manage your Zoom audio. If this guide was helpful, subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials.